Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to create Instagram ads to convert sale. Instagram ads are paid posts, short videos, carousels, and stories that appear in your Instagram feed or stories. They look just like regular content on Instagram with two key differences. They are labeled sponsor and you can include all actions to encourage users to visit your website, sign up for a webinar, or make a purchase. There are two places to host ads on Instagram, in your feed and your Instagram stories. Instagram feed can accommodate a range sizes including landscape, verticals, and square. The more your ads resemble organic posts, the better they perform. So here are the tips. Set your budget. Instagram parent company Meta defines a budget as the average amount you're willing to spend on your ad every day. This is entirely up to you, but it's important to set a budget that funds what you're trying to achieve and to update it as necessary. The more you spend, the more people will see your ad. Once you see your budget, you can see an estimate of how many people your ad will reach. Next is define your audience. You can create targeted ads based on location, gender, and interest in Ads Manager or right from your Instagram account. You can also target based on connections. For example, you can create a custom audience composed of your existing customers. So choose CTAs that make an impact. Instagram is all about beautiful visuals. People don't come here to read. Meta find that images and videos with less than 20% text perform better. Users on feed will only see up to 15 words in caption. You make first sentence one that entices people to click. Next is choose hashtags that are relevant. Hashtag offer an opportunity to show your personality, while it's fine to add 10 or more hashtags to organic posts. It's important to more discerning if you choose to include hashtag on your ads. The key is to make sure hashtag you choose reflect your industry while mean something your target audience and align with the goal of your ad campaign. Next is use carousel posts for higher engagement. Create engaging video ads. Optimize for mobile. Make sure your Instagram ads, text, images, videos, and post-click destination are fully optimized for mobile. This includes fast load times and smooth navigation. Then, track performance. Take advantage of Meta Ads Manager to understand your ad performance. You can monitor a wide range of metrics for deep insights, including the number of post engagement your Instagram ad achieved and total reach, amount spent, cost per result, and more. This will help you see what works and what doesn't so you can improve performance. So I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it on the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.